Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a glitch core in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go and see how we can get started making glitch core. The first thing we can do guys is take a look at the pre-made tracks, because we have two ways of going with this. The first option is to go ahead and find something already pre-made, then we can then add our own mastering effects and so on. So we're going to go into live loops right here in the upper left corner. That's going to open up this menu where you can find the loops such as EDM, hip hop and so on. But the option we're looking for is the sound library option right here. After typing on sound library, it's going to open up the sound library where you can find all the options that may be of use to us, like 8-bit legends, we have the beat tape, modular rhythms and so on. So you can use a lot of the effects right here, and you can get started with downloading them to get your desired effects. So you can click on get and get started with buying them, and you can go ahead and find the pre-made options to start editing yourself. But the second option we have guys is to make it from scratch by ourselves. So we're going to go back to tracks right here, and now we are going to get started with adding our instruments. So basically guys, for glitch core you're going to be using your keyboard a lot. You maybe even add some drums for some snare rolls and so on. So you want to type on the instruments you want to play. That's going to open up this recording menu where at the top of the screen you'll have the big red circle that's going to enable you to start recording, so you can get started recording yourself playing. And after that you can go ahead and click the edit mode right here in the upper left corner. In the upper left corner we're going to open a mixing mode where you can see now we can find all the tracks we have. We have our drums right here, the keyboard track and so on, where we can get started with adding our mastering effects, selecting how we want it to sound and so on to get our desired glitch core sound. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.